Hey, this is Carrie from Wrap Your Head Around Silks. Today we are working in beginner hammock. This is Archer. First is our triangle climb on hammock because we need to have a little bit of height to do this position. Hands high. You're going to sit your hips back, bringing one foot to the inside of the pole and spreading your legs out nice and even. This is our L pose with the legs wide, and we're going to stand up to it. As we do so, hips come forward. Elbows are going to come into your rib cage, and you're going to get the weight into your hands, short arm position. Single reverse egg beater. So we're going to go front to back. One time. The key is toes up, butt down. To get the fabric around the ankles and to retain enough fabric underneath you to get your splits and then archer. We can do both poses here. Depending on where that fabric wraps around your ankle or if it's closer to the knee, we can do a split, archer, or stag. Here is our exit. We are not going to lift our weight out of it. Simply bring the legs together and slide the fabric out from underneath you and stand. Now we're going to step in with one leg and then the other. Okay, let's talk through this. Hands high. 1 foot high, spread the feet out equally, sit down and then lever up through the hips, elbows in, get your weight into your hands, single reverse egg beater, toes up, butt down. And then on this one, we're going to go into our archer pose. So one bent knee, one straight. So whichever split is the most comfortable for you, you're going to face that direction, slide down into the bottom of the hammock, stepping out and stepping out. This time with the spin, I'm going to extend that leg 1 foot in, give myself a spin off the ground, cross the leg, head goes back. I'm going to stand into it. Hands go high, lever the hips up, then hands go high. Again, super important. Triangle climb, hips lever up. So really utilizing the hips to get all the way up to this position. Coming into our archer pose. Yeah, sometimes I like to bring that fabric over my hips. Pose it out. Back arm presents. Slide the feet down, and I like to do a little moment here where I cross the arms over the front, head goes back, and step out. One more time for details, and a little spin. Crossing the free leg. Sit back, head goes back. Sit on your foot, 2 hands high. Lever up, hands go high again. Again, so important for your entry to look like you know what you're doing. Triangle climb, stand up, short arm. Single reverse egg beater. And you're going to pop the feet up, hips down to get it into the right position on your ankles. Present the archer pose. You want to count 1, 2, 3, 4 to present a pose when we're doing aerial. And a little bit of a turn there, arms in front, step out and step out. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here. This is Carrie from Wrap Your Head Around Silks. Subscribe and like. I'll see you guys next time.